The Informed Choice Preference Pathway Record document is a critical part of the advice process. It's a record of the client's informed choice and provides an audit trail including confirmation that clients have read the Informed Choice document and are ready to make choices about their investment preferences and objectives. Both are key aspects of meeting Consumer Duty requirements. The document records the client's investment pathway preferences. Remember that these preferences may be for more than one pathway, and different investment pathways can be assigned to different investment products, such as ISA or SIPP. It is important to include the client and advisor agreed approach. This is because the pathway selection must be compatible with the client's attitude to risk and capacity for loss. The Notes section records any discussion with the client around balancing investment preferences with attitude to risk. The next part of the Preference Pathway Record covers whether the client needs to complete a questionnaire with increasing fund disclosure and annual sustainability statements. Many clients will choose to leave the sustainability, ESG, or ethical strategy to the fund manager. These are some of the many benefits for the client and the advisor. The ESG and sustainable process is shorter. No complex questionnaires for most clients. It is an informed choice, so Consumer Duty friendly. If a client completes a questionnaire to express their personal views, this can lead to a bespoke portfolio which may be subject to a higher ongoing advice fee. If clients do not want to leave the strategy to the fund manager, but instead want to express their personal views, we offer a separate preference questionnaire to match each of the main preference options. This ensures targeted questions linked to the client's chosen pathway and avoids lengthy, one-size-fits-all questionnaires. The Preference Pathway Record allows space for client and advisor comments that can be replayed in the suitability letter, forming part of the evidence trail for meeting good client outcomes. Finally, the Signature section confirms the client has understood and wishes to apply these preferences to their portfolio. For further hints and tips on using the Preference Pathway Record document, download the Advisor version which contains helpful notes.